startlingly new in truck testing, a history-making run to the top of the world. Chevrolet engineers, searching for even more challenging ways to test the 1957 truck models, scheduled the roughest, toughest road test in all Chevrolet history. A spectacular 10,000-mile run from the proving ground north through Canada over the desolate stretches of the Alcan Highway to Fairbanks, Alaska in the shadow of the Arctic Circle, and then return. 6 1957 Chevrolet pre-production trucks, consisting of light, medium, and heavy-duty models, are selected to make the run. Each truck carries a load typical for its weight class. No special mechanical preparations are made for this unprecedented run. Only routine inspection and road preparation under AAA supervision were made prior to departure. And then Dawson Creek. The trucks are weighed and their GVWs are AAA certified. The AAA observers seal the vehicles for this special feature of the road test, the breathtaking continuous run over the forbidding Alcan to Fairbanks, Alaska, 1,523 rough, rugged, grueling miles away. These AAA observers maintain close vigilance over fueling and all actual operation of the trucks. 0 milepost, Dawson Creek. 0 hour, 1 a.m. 6 Chevrolet trucks swing into the night to travel back through time into the heart of a mighty land known only a few years ago to traders, trappers, and prospectors. Endless forests of pine and spruce merging with stands of birch, aspen, cottonwood, and willow stand sentinel-like as the trucks roll along the punishing road. Uphill and down, these trucks eat up the gravelly miles in their relentless push against time and nature. Rutty roads caused by washouts pull and wrench at suspensions in violent onslaught. Roads that put a terrific strain on tires, engine, chassis, axle, and transmission. Fort St. John, Fort Nelson, Lower Post, names to conjure with in the days when man's sheer determination and rugged endurance meant his only chance of survival. What punishment this desolate road dishes out. Bending, wrenching, twisting through a whole routine of operational. But the trucks push on, mile after tortuous mile over the toughest, most punishing road in the world. In rain, dust, and chilling mountain winds, the trucks drive on into the shadow of the highest peaks in North America, on into the land immortalized by Robert Service, Jack London, and Rex Beach, at a breathtaking pace that puts man and machine to supreme tests of stamina. Grinding miles, up-winding, twisting grades, proving Chevrolet's power to flatten out the steepest hills. Dust-choked miles, hundreds of them, powder like glacial dust that threatens the vitals of engines, transmissions, rear axles, to no avail. Blinding dust that hangs like a pall and limits visibility to a few hundred feet. Rain-soaked miles, washouts, soft, spongy surfaces, mire, torrent, and hail. The trucks drive on, a supreme tribute to Chevrolet's rugged durability. These trucks are truly champs of every weight class. Refueling stops are made all along the Alcan under AAA supervision. Off again. The trucks pound on through sweeps of desolate northern tundra, across rushing rivers like the Peace, the Liard, and the Yukon, on into the vast Arctic Yukon territory and the fabulous town of Whitehorse, and by the legendary Lake Labarge of Sam McGee. Round the clock, the drivers maintain a relentless, steady pace, yet always alert to the rules of the road and to the laws of the land. The rugged route winds along the shores of sparkling lakes, over hundreds of miles of wilderness road through the Yukon Territory, choppy roads, mud, hail, dust, and hills. Roads that deal out shaking, twisting, crushing blows every mile of the way until at last the 6 trucks roll into Fairbanks, Alaska, the end of the spectacular continuous run from Dawson Creek. Between Dawson Creek and Fairbanks, Alaska, stretch 1,523 of the roughest, toughest miles in the world. 6 Chevrolet trucks started this special run, and 6 trucks finished in the astounding time of 44 hours, 45 minutes, 25 seconds. All under 45 hours, a time far less than usually reported by truckers operating over this rugged Alcan highway. Fairbanks, the halfway mark in the grueling road test from Milford, Michigan. And still more punishing miles lie ahead on the return stretch to the proving ground. And here they come. This dramatic demonstration of Chevrolet truck performance on the Alcan highway tested all phases of truck design as they have never been tested before. For example, driving ease in the big trucks equipped with Powermatic, Chevrolet's exclusive heavy-duty automatic transmission. In a truly outstanding performance, this truck with Powermatic thundered along the entire length of the Alcan, taking mountains in stride through treacherous washouts in a single forward speed range. The only reason for shifting at all was in starting from neutral or backing up. And the performance of the 1957 truck engines over the road where trucks grow old before their time amazed drivers and AAA observers alike. In a special test, the Thriftmaster 6 and the Trademaster V8 covered the entire 1,523-mile stretch without once being shut off, even for refueling. In a superb performance demonstration, the new 283 cubic inch Taskmaster V8 displayed tremendous torque and reserve power, flattening the steepest grades with ease and maintaining constant cruising speeds regardless of the road and ruggedness of the terrain. And despite the worst the Alcan had to offer, fuel economy over this exhausting route was exceptional. This 1/2 ton Cameo Carrier averaged more than 18 miles per gallon, even though the engine in this truck was kept idling during routine stops and was not shut off during the run. And any one of the 1957 Chevrolet Task Force models, light, medium, or heavy duty, will deliver the same premium performance that whipped the Alcan highway. Think of what all this means to truck operators all over America. Alcan proved on this toughest of natural proving grounds. And that's the dramatic story of how the 1957 Chevrolet Task Force trucks conquered the Alcan highway in a grueling 10,000-mile test of truck stamina and performance, with only minor roadside repairs made, and not one truck turned back or dropped out. Yes, the 1957 Chevrolet Task Force trucks are truly the champions in every weight class.